Guys, follow me to prepare something simple for my woman. So mo ṣe wọ kitchen yẹn nígbà tí ìyá sọ pé kí n pa àwọn ní ọ̀sán, so mo fọ àwọn abọ́ yẹn, so ìgbà mo wá fọ ṣáà clean kitchen yẹn dáadáa, mo tidy up everywhere. So ẹ mọ̀ tóbi náà pé mo fẹ́ jẹun, ìkan náà ìyá náà kakọ̀ tẹ̀lé máa dáná lọ́nà kàtẹ́ máa wá nǹkan fún wọn, ojoojúmọ́ kan náà máa dáná fún wa. So I just put it upon myself to go into the kitchen and cook for her as a good man, well trained from home. So this is my yam. So I started peeling the yams. So I just want to prepare some yam chips for her. So after I peeled all the yams gradually and carefully. So so it was not enough. The white one was not enough. So I took another yam. This is the yellow yam. So me olo. Let me know what you call it kind of yam in your language. But here in Yoruba we call it olo. So this is it. So I started peeling the yams. So and let me tell you something. If you want to enjoy your home, it's very good to do something like this every Sunday. As a man, just prepare some foods on Sunday and just enjoying your peace and your home. So I'm going to be man likely lay. So I just Sunday get done off one can one day. The moment I look at the daddy done off from the chicken like just Sunday now. I'm already so only lay. So I started cutting the yam into pieces, so into cubes. So shall cut everything carefully. We'll get a cube. So I'm going to be mommy do call. Kitchen. Don't mind though. I want masters in the kitchen and cooking. So I don't think you can work level on my phone just so after washing the yam cubes, so move for that. That's why I made it. So I wash it very well. So after washing it, then so move for that because as a guy you must also be neat and also with your cooking, most especially your cooking. Between dano, you get see, it must be very, very, very clean and neat. So after I'm done with the washing and cleaning of the yam cubes, then I start seasoning. So bit motinga the atakuku and my ghee and then salt. See, I want to Maggi some gel. Each time I done Maggi me was some gel. No, just 1 cube of Maggi is enough. Then it's little quantity of salt was added to it, just to give it some good taste. So and I stirred everything together. Mo mix it that as in that. You see, I'm really trying. So I did shit that So this was the processing. So I depend much everything. Mo mix it that key Maggi and seasonings when so after that, so the much mix it on, then pressing people like him in a frying pan. What one year my kitty or one nonsense, mountain say, like beer. You come to your kitty state and come and marry now before it's too late. Or can you get a kitty? So you can never marry a kitty man and miss. No, possible. Direct shots in it. So you now put it into the fry pan and fry it. So because on your son you can check out my heavy brain. After my just more quantity and we fried everything. You can see how good and yummy it is. Fine get most on get oh, you'll be happy. So this is my fine girl. You can see what the range and what in here. The moment she sees the food, she was happy. So what I want Nigeria. So you're going to do. So possible. My people did ask baby and so yeah, I think then after that time it's ready. So you see now my chef is tasting it. So my brother, follow me for no reason. Thank you.